Hi kids! Look, I'm overflying this neighborhood to see if everything's okay or someone needs my help. But oh, look at that boy, he's injured. What happened to him? I want to know. As a witch, I have powers and I can make my magic work and really go back in time to see what happened today to him. Yeah, I'm a bit curious. Come on, the clock. Let's move it and let's go back in time to this morning at 9 o'clock. What happened at that time? Oh, okay, we have the information. He was at his cousin's house. They slept together that night. Okay, nice with his family. What else? They got dressed and had breakfast. Okay, they got dressed and had breakfast. Nothing strange here. And yeah, I see everything's fine. Okay, let's go further in time. Let's pick another time. Let's go at 10:30. Okay? Whoa! More information. He wasn't with his cousin anymore. Okay, he wasn't with him. What else? At that time, he was alone and at home. He made some crafts for school. Nothing strange, right? Some crafts? Like, no, I don't think he got injured there. Let's go now at 11:45, okay? Let's go a little bit further. Oh! Okay, more information. Now he was with Susan, his sister. They were together. Okay, she made some cookies and he ate them. Okay, of course he ate them. I would have eaten the cookies as well. But nothing strange here. No, I cannot think about how he got injured. Let's try one more time. Let's go. Yeah, let's go at 12 o'clock. Oh, more information. He played with his scooter. I know what happened now. The scooter. Sure, he played and he just fall, right? Okay, now we know the reason.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids! Okay, so what are we doing now? We are working on this coming worksheet, the past simple. Remember, super easy. We've seen this before. In present, today I go to school, but in past, yesterday I went to school. And what about the past simple? What is it? Clear. It's the tense we used to talk about past habits, situations, and facts. We use the past simple. To use this tense properly, you have to remember that generally and for regular verbs, we need to add the suffix ed, such as in these cases, walk, walked, listen, listened, study, studied. Okay? And see that for the verbs ending in y, we need to transform that y into an I. Then for irregular verbs such as go, to be, or have, we need to remember the new forms. Have is what? Had. Made is what? Made. And eat is ate. Yes? But then, let's see this. Choose the correct verb. He is at his cousin's house. They sleep together tonight. They got dressed and had breakfast. Okay, so it's present or past. He was at his cousin's house. They slept together tonight. They got dressed and had breakfast. If we have tonight, that means this coming night. So for sure is the present. That for, we can take any of the markers we have nearby and make a circle on is and sleep, because these are the present forms. Yeah, he wasn't with his cousin anymore at that time at 10:30 or 10:30. He is or was alone and actually at home. He was alone. Why do I know it? Because here I have a hint. Wasn't is already telling us that it's the past. So if he wasn't with his cousin anymore, at the time he was alone and actually at home. He made, everything is in past, not make because it's present. He made some crafts for school. Yes? Now let's go and see the last one. At 11:30. He was with Susan. So again, I know it's past. He was with Susan, his sister. She made some cookies, not made. And he ate them. Yes, in past. I want to eat them. I want to eat them too. Yes, I want to eat them too, because I want is I want them right now, not I want them in the past. Yes, so pay attention. If you doubt about what verb to choose, if in present or past tense, you need to find out the hints hidden. For example, tonight points present. If you see another verb in a past form, that points that maybe the text is in past. So, and here we have these timings that we can also pay attention to and write down: 9 o'clock, 11:30, 10:30, and 11:30. And that's it. Well done. Good job, guys.